SERV stock, is this the right time to buy? I'm going to answer everything around this in this very short 1-minute video. I've invested tens of thousands of dollars in courses, mentors in 5 years that it's actually taken me to finally figure this thing out. You know, I've made 40,000 videos, so I've like literally have the proof to back it up, and also not like anyone else with 5-10k months. I mean, obviously other people are hitting this, but show me another person with 40,000 videos. I at first got 3 longs, 2 break-evens, right? This one was a break-even yet again, but then it was only going to be valid if I saw the second break, and you can see never saw this break. This is why I kind of left it as such, because it's just like, I mean, it's not a lesson, it just didn't happen. That's perfectly fine with me. You can see most of the tickers also at that time period just crashed. Currently it's still a bearish range, and I'm not just gonna assume that things will take the better turn and just start buying. No, but if I see some double breaks, then yeah, sure. Currently I'm just waiting for more rolls. Like, me assuming has actually lost me a ton of money, but when I react, it's a whole different play. And if you want to learn how I'm making 5 to 10k per month, click the first link in the description, get my free emails.